Now me and Daisy today, we've got our aprons on and we've got lovely clean hands because we've just washed them. So I wonder if you can guess what we're going to do. What are we going to do today, Daisy?
We're going to make cornflake cake.
We're going to make chocolate cornflake Easter nest cakes. So firstly, what you need is 50 grams of butter. Put it in the pan. You need 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Oh, it's very drippy. Look at that. Trickle, trickle.
And very
icky,
glistening.
sticky syrup. 1, 2. Whoa, bloop. There it goes. And 1 more. Daisy, do you want to do the last one?
Yeah.
There you go. 3. Oh, it's really sticky.
Oh, it's going to drop. Oh.
That's it. Hold it. Sticky, sticky syrup. Oh, it's very. My fingers are all sticky now from that syrup.
Mine too.
So what I'm going to do is use the syrup, the butter spoon, just to scrape the rest of the syrup in there.
Because we don't want to run them out.
No, we don't. So, put those in there now. You also need 100 grams of broken up chocolate.
Dairy milk.
Pour it in the dairy milk, yep. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat on. You've got to be very careful in the oven because it's hot, hot, hot. And if you zoom in, Stephen, to the mixture, first of all, it starts off looking like this, very bitsy bitsy, but as the oven heats up, what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen to our mixture?
I think it's going to look like melted chocolate.
Is it going to melt?
Yeah.
Will it look like this still when it melts?
No.
No? What will it look like?
It will look brown and all straight.
Let's
like
see.
syrup.
Let's give it a mix. You going to give it a mix? Let's get rid of that bowl because we don't need that bowl now. Oh, how is it? Is it easy to stir or is it tricky to stir?
It's tricky.
Is it very stiff? Let me hold the pan still. Let it melt a little bit more then. And then it'll get easier to stir, I think.
It's getting a little bit easier because everything's melting.
Everything is melting together, isn't it? And is it changing? Is the appearance changing?
Yeah. The bottom of the pan is turning brown.
You can zoom in onto that again. There we go. Can I have a little mix?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. It doesn't look very nice at the moment, does it?
No. It smells
So it's
delicious.
melting now though, and it really does smell delicious. 2 of Daisy's favourite things in life are chocolate and golden syrup.
And mixed together makes them even better.
Right, so that's getting nice and melted now. And if you can see, guys, the syrup and the chocolate and the butter are all melting to make like a thick chocolatey
Mess.
liquid. A mess.
Can I have a go?
Yes, you can.
It's easier to start than the beginning. Very easy.
That's it.
Still butter on the spoon.
There is still butter on the spoon, but we've got all the butter we need in there.
Oh, sizzling, sizzling.
So when this is all melted, we're going to add in our 100 grams of cornflakes, but you can use shredded wheat if you've got them at home, or
Rice
Krispies work just as well. But we like cornflakes, and we only had cornflakes in the cupboard, really. So that's what we're using
Or
today.
you could put shreddies in.
No, shreddies wouldn't work so well, I don't think. Was that bit of butter you were talking about, wasn't it? Yeah. Right, so guys, if you can see now, we're left with a really lovely, thick, chocolatey sauce.
Mess.
What a mess. It's a nice, thick, chocolatey sauce.
It's like
So,
the chocolate sauce you put on ice cream.
now we're going to pour our cornflakes in there. Good job. And give it a mix together for me, Daisy. Mix it all together. Mix it all together. Shall I have a little go?
Yeah. It's getting tougher than the beginning.
So what we're doing is we're trying to get the cornflakes covered in our chocolatey sauce.
Like the chocolate sauce you put on ice cream.
Is it?
But
now we're going to get some big spoons. Let me just go and get our cupcakes. We've got our cupcake cases here, and what we're going to do is we're going to spoon our mixture carefully into the cupcake cases. Nice big spoon, heaped spoonful, and in it goes.
Just like this, but a bit bigger, like that. Ooh. Drop some.
So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to do this one, and we've also got here some delicious golden eggs. They look delicious, those eggs.
And they're chocolate.
And we're going to just put one on top of our nest, like this. Daisy, put one in your nest. Just like that. So you've got your lovely chocolatey Easter nest there. And now we're going to finish these off, guys, and we're going to put them in the fridge for about an hour. And then they should be ready to eat, and they're all crunchy and delicious. I'll also attach the recipe for these if you want to try making them at home with your mummies, your daddies, or whoever. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.